Are you ready for the summer of 2019? Introducing 23 Mancroft, a home meticulously put together with luxury in mind. Join me inside and look around. What you will see will wow you. With custom cabinetry and gorgeous dark wood flooring, the second level of this home opens up into an open concept living, dining, and kitchen area. Perfect for watching the kids or entertaining. The granite countertops are as solid as this investment, so much so that it won't take much time at all before you want it all for yourself. And once it is yours, you can truly experience the lifestyle it offers. Invite your friends over to enjoy the fantastic backyard patio and pool. Nothing like a kickoff to the summer with a barbecue, gorgeous saltwater pool, and friends. Take the time to sit back and enjoy this gorgeous backyard and all the fun you will have in your new life in the sun. The backyard features upgrades which include newer pool liner, pool pump, and heater. The pool also has remote-controlled LED lights with patterned concrete surrounding the pool, which then continues all the way around the house to the driveway. The new deck and deck lighting will be a centerpiece to your summers in the sun. This 4-level side split located on a pie-shaped lot has 4 bedrooms, 2 fully renovated bathrooms, a newer furnace, a newer roof, a newer eaves troughs with gutter guards. All doors and air conditioners were replaced. The front has a new stucco exterior, a 360-degree security system complete with infrared cameras, a new wood-burning fireplace with a recent WETT certificate to prove its safety. All this plus the completely renovated kitchen with custom cabinetry, a gorgeous island with sink, granite countertops, and undermount lighting. Once you make your way down to the main floor, you will find the renovated family room and the entrance to the basement, which features a brand new custom bar and cabinetry for entertaining your guests. All this and the location is a stone's throw from Brampton Hospital, fantastic schools, parks, and shopping and recreation. There really is no end to the upside with 23 Mancroft. Like any good deal, this home can only be sold once, so don't scare yourself off of a property like this, because odds are you won't find another one like it.